Hello everyone, today I would like to show you how to use Good Lock Pentastic to enhance your Samsung S Pen features. Let's have a look. First, you need to install Good Lock app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. So open Galaxy Store, then tap search button on top right, search for Good Lock and hit Good Lock. Tap Good Lock and tap install. When Good Lock app installed, you can tap open or go to home screen and tap Good Lock app. Tap continue and then tap markup. Scroll down little bit and you will see Pentastic app. Tap download button beside Pentastic. When Pentastic downloaded, scroll up and tap Pentastic. Here you will see various features to customize your S Pen, such as Air Command. Under Air Command, you will see Default, Line and Circle, then Retro. Select one of them and tap Use. Go back to home screen and you will see Retro for Air Command. Also, you can use circle, line and default one. After Air Command, scroll down and you will see pointer. Select one and tap use. There are lots of fun design available such as basic, heart, Crocro, Lisa, Cookie and Bobby. Select one and tap use, then you can check the preview. Again scroll down and tap sound. You can customize sound. Choose one and tap use. Finally, you can use double tap shortcut. Choose what happened when you hold down the pen button and double tap on the screen. Tap on it and turn on. Then select any app like screen write. Double tap on the screen and it will take a screenshot. Then write something. So these are the steps to use Good Lock Pentastic to enhance your Samsung S Pen features. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.